You have learned that when force is applied to a stationary object, it moves. We see many things in the picture above. They are all moving, but each one moves with a different kind of motion. Linear motion. A bullock cart moves slowly in one direction. Have you ever seen a line of ants? They all move in a line. Motion in only one direction is called linear motion. Uniform linear and non-uniform linear motion. Have you seen soldiers marching in a parade? What is special about it? Each one has exactly the same kind of motion. We see practically no difference. Motion in which a specific distance is being covered in a particular period is called uniform motion. On your way back from school, you may run or walk or dawdle along at different times. It means that your motion keeps changing. A girl on a slide comes down with great speed. Her motion is linear but not uniform because her speed is continuously increasing. Oscillatory motion. You must have played on swings. A swing moves from one extreme position to another and back again. It takes the same time for every such complete swing. One complete swing is called an oscillation. Such a back and forth repetitive motion is called oscillatory motion. The movement of a bird's wings is an example of oscillatory motion. When a sitar string is plucked, what kind of motion does it get? Oscillatory motion is seen when the sitar string is plucked. Periodic motion. Watch carefully the motion of the hands of a clock. The minute's hand completes one round in 60 minutes every time. Such regular motion is called periodic motion. When a moving object passes through a certain point at regular intervals of time, its motion is called periodic motion. The movement of trapeze artists in a circus is an example of periodic motion. The motion of the earth around the sun and that of the moon around the earth are also instances of periodic motion. In periodic motion, one round is completed in the same time every time. Random motion. A butterfly flits from flower to flower. Its motion has no definite direction. Such motion is called random motion. The motion of football players on the field is also of the same type. The motion of a baby crawling or a stray animal is also called random motion. Motion whose direction changes continuously is called random motion. What will be the motion of the beads which fall on the floor when their string breaks? Random motion is seen when the beads fall on the floor when their string breaks. Circular motion. The bullock working a sugarcane press moves along the circumference of a circle, at the center of which is the press. Such motion along a circle is called circular motion. The turning of the merry-go-round, the wheels of a bicycle or car, the blades of an electric fan, a farmer's sling are all instances of circular motion. Speed. The time taken by an object to cover a distance between 2 points tells us the speed of the object. The speed of an object is the distance it travels in a unit of time. Speed is equal to distance travelled upon time taken to travel the distance. In the MKS system, the unit of speed is meters per second, while in the CGS system, it is centimeter per second.